Good afternoon everyone and Happy New Year. I'm making this video to show you how to use Vlookup more efficiently using table. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to support me to make more videos to help other people just like you. If this video has helped you, any donations to support this channel are welcome by using the PayPal link in the description. So I have created a table with month, sales, commission, and then I have put in column E the months, and this is normally what you do when you VLOOKUP. So what you do is getting VLOOKUP, getting E2, and then you absolute A1 to C13, which is this, right? And then you take the column 2 for sales and false, right? But what happens if you want to add the next year, like January 22, 2400, right? Then you put in here Jan 22, then you drag the formula down, right? You can't see anything, right? So what you can do is actually make this the month sales commission as a table, right? Go to insert and then go to table, right? This will make the whole table a proper table, and then you press click OK, right? Then when you create the VLOOKUP formula, what you do is before you do that, actually, once you make this a table, rename the table name as maybe months data, or any name that you want, any memorable name that you want. And after that, right, okay, let me delete everything here. Then you VLOOKUP, right, over here, and then you want to make E2 absolute by pressing F4, because I want to copy over to commission. Then when you VLOOKUP, you just call out the table months data. You can use the arrow key, and you press tab, right? It will select those the month data table. Then you want the second column, right? Normally I put false behind here and press OK, right? Then I can drag this formula. Then I want to change it, because it's commission, I want to change to column 3, right? Then I can highlight, I can drag down the formula. All right. So what happens if there's a January next year? So what I can do is just put Jan 2022, right? You see the table has been extended automatically for you, right? And then you put, maybe you put a 24,000 shares, and then see, your VLOOKUP is automatically updated. So let's say Feb 2022, right? Then you can let's say I've updated the table 3,300. Okay, see, it's so efficient using this method. So you can actually look at you can actually go to formula name manager. You can actually see your table name and then your references. this you can see this is the list of all the tables that you have if you create more tables. Okay, hope this helps you. If you think this video has helped you, please remember to subscribe or donate if that pleases you. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.